Yo, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And this video is going to be a Yo, what's up? My name is MaCauley and welcome back for another video. As you guys don't know, I said in the recent video, I said that I know how to draw. I can draw. I know how to draw stickman. Yes. And today I'm going to teach you how to draw using this fudenosuke brush pen. Tombow fudenosuke brush pen. There's two different types of fudenosuke brush pen, which is the soft tip and the hard tip. And I choose the soft tip because I don't know.
That was legit.
I brought this yesterday online via Shopee, and let's get into it. You want me to unbox it again? So guys, here it is. Here is the package. It says thank you in it because I ordered. Yeah, it says here Shopee Express. Wow. Shopee Express. Now let's see what's inside. It's a bubble wrap. So amazing. And there we go. There's the plastic, and it says Tombow. I don't understand Japanese, so if you dudes know how to read Japanese, understand Japanese, comment down below. Yeah, here it is. It's already unboxed.
Incredible.
So as you can see, this is my sketch pad. Yeah, it's so very legit and original. I brought this in Shopee, online shopping, which is Shopee, and yeah, sketchbook. Now here it is. This is my self-portrait. So this is me, and today I'm going to teach you how to put some lines perfectly in your drawings, like put some shadows in it and put some black lines in this edges like that, and yeah. Yo, it's already done. So if you want to see the full drawing of that drawing, how to draw, put lines, for beginners, you just wait, and let me just reverse this camera. Rotate. Change the. Here it is. It's so beautiful and it's so textureful. And yeah, what you guys think? So beautiful, right? So artness. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for waiting, and thank you for watching the full video of this video. Yes, if you guys want to share your arts, go to the Facebook page of MaCauley. Yes, Facebook page of MaCauley. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the description. Yes, the link will be in the description. If you want to join and send art or message me if you want to. Yeah. So that's all. So in the next vid, I maybe post a gameplay like Terraria or horror games like that, so something like that. And I hope you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this vid, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace. 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 Peace.